Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing industry and it has tremendous potential, particularly in the blockchain industry where there are many use cases for artificial intelligence. We have so many tech firms exploring the potential of artificial intelligence, and with the advent of ChatGPT, which is basically a chatbot that uses artificial intelligence and it's created by open source. Then we have the advent of ChatGPT, which is created by OpenAI. It's an artificial intelligence chatbot, and it was developed in November 2022. It's actually built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models. This chatbot has been continually fine-tuned using supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. Now, AI has got a lot of attention in the crypto industry. This is because of its potential in enhancing user experience, scalability, as well as security in the blockchain networks. AI-based crypto coins can support various AI projects in the crypto industry. This includes decentralized marketplaces. It can provide market predictions, portfolio management, as well as governance rights for token holders. I think in 2023, AI and blockchain and crypto will go hand in hand. The cryptos that will outperform will be using AI technology to improve their use cases. Now, I'm going to share with you guys 3 AI cryptocurrencies that I personally am very bullish on. But remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Now, the first one is actually number 1 on CryptoSlate, and that is the Graph. The Graph token is GRT, and just check out in the last 24 hours, it's been up almost 9%. Almost 15% in the 7-day chart and around 11% in the 30-day chart. Now let's just jump onto the Graph website and I will summarize it for you. So in layman's terms, it's basically a new decentralized open source protocol, and it's based on distributed ledger technology, which is pretty much what blockchain technology is also based on. But in their case, they are data focused. They use the distributed ledger technology to aggregate data that is easily accessible. And the thing is, they do this without involving third parties. Now, this protocol is a global API that is used to index and organize and aggregate data. This makes the data really accessible, and it uses Graph's QL language. Now, what's really interesting is that Graph's protocol indexes blockchain data the same way that Google indexes data on the internet. The protocol uses this concept that is shown on the website called subgraphs, and this is what is used to retrieve the data from the blockchain easily. Just think about it. Blockchain is a distributed ledger. So much data flows through it, and we can't really make out what that data is. Now, subgraphs are open APIs that shows you how the data is indexed on the blockchain. So it gives users specific information so they can filter out and get the data that they want. You guys know how hard it can be to sift through multiple blockchain transactions and multiple data on the blockchain. The thing is, the Graph takes in the data, it processes it, and then it indexes it. And then it presents it in a way that is verifiable. Now, their native token is GRT, and it's based on the Ethereum network. It's built on ERC20. The second AI crypto that I would like to mention is Singularity Net, and it's also second on the CryptoSlate list, but I do have many that I am bullish on this list, and I won't be mentioning all of them in this video. If you want, I can make a part 2, but I'm also very bullish on Ocean Protocol as well as Phoenix Global. But I'll do more in-depth reviews of them on another video, but this could be part 1. Now, Singularity Net has the token AGIX, and it's AGIX, and it's one of the most notable cryptos on the market for AI. Now, the Singularity Net platform allows users to buy and sell AI-related products. Data models and other AI-related tools can also be traded on this platform. It's a decentralized AI marketplace, and like I said, the demand for AI-related products are growing in almost every industry. Now, the reason I say every industry is because data is prevalent to all the industries out there. And most industries out there are evolving and becoming more and more competitive. And as they become more and more competitive, the data can be incredibly useful. Data can be used to make informed decisions for different businesses. So if they want to change their marketing strategy and target new demographics, they need data for it. If they want to look at their sales, what's working, what's not working, they can look at the data, analyze it, and then re-strategize. Now, on the topic of how important data is in making decisions, it brings me on to my third top AI crypto for 2023, and that is Fetch AI. It also happens to be third on the list on Crypto Slate. So it's currently up 15.38% in the last 24 hours. That's pretty high. And so almost 13% in the last 7 days and 17.6% in the last 30 days. Now, Fetch AI, I like to think of a data analytics AI company. It's an open source decentralized platform that can allow the building of a new digital economy. They basically provide tools that function with AI, known as intelligent autonomous agents. Now, these tools can handle complex tasks such as advanced analytics, predictive modeling, and all of this can aid decision making. If the top management of a company has predictive modeling that can give forecasts of how perhaps sales are going to go based on different factors, then accordingly they can adjust and assess how to deal with their operations. So just going onto the Fetch AI website, you can see that they call it autonomous agent technology. Basically, the bots that they have communicate with each other and also with human interfaces. So this allows very easy communication. You can see they have partnered with so many different companies: Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, some huge names. And their tools can help companies streamline their user experience and provide more functionality. So for example, the agents can provide reusable code for peer-to-peer transactions, a new layer of communication. They have decentralized machine learning, so the agents can use the solutions and decide how to go about them. They help with network communication, so the blockchain network and smart contracts can be used and communicate together for economic settlement. They also provide tooling. So it's really a great interchain protocol that developers can use. It uses Cosmos's SDK, which, by the way, I have made videos on Cosmos's SDK. So if you don't know what that is, check my Cosmos video out. I made it, I think, last year. I've linked it down below in the description box. And the best part is the key word I said, interchain. Now, interoperability is incredibly important for mass adoption. And they serve as a layer 1 network for Ethereum. And they also act as an interchain bridge to the rest of the blockchain world. Really important for mass adoption. So guys, those are my top 3 AI cryptos that I think are going to do great in the next few years. Again, that's not financial advice, it's purely my opinion. I like what they are going out and doing. I like the contributions they're adding to the blockchain space and improving it for the rest of us. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. There's a few more that I'm also bullish on, which I mentioned earlier. I'm also bullish on Render. I'm bullish on Ocean as well. So if you want a second video with my top next 3 cryptocurrencies in the AI sector, then hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. As you know, a lot of the information is time sensitive, especially in the crypto industry and in the stock markets. Also, guys, I have not been sponsored by any of these companies. These are purely just my opinions. So make sure you know that I have not been paid to make this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.